Have you ever considered the powerful meaning behind the number 8888? Many see it as more than just a number. It's often recognized as an angelic portal, a gateway to prosperity, good fortune, and boundless success. In various spiritual traditions, 888 is believed to carry the energetic force of abundance, ready to flow into your life. Some even say that if you write the number 888 on a slip of paper and place it under your pillow, you activate unseen energies that draw prosperity and joy toward you. But the magic of this number isn't solely about material wealth or success. It also brings with it a profound sense of peace, tranquility, and joy, which are the deeper desires we often seek when we wish for financial abundance. After all, beyond wealth, what we truly yearn for is peace of mind, freedom from financial worries, the ability to rest easy, and a sense of happiness that fulfills us from within. This is why the energy of abundance resonates so closely with the energy of inner peace, joy, and happiness. If you're intrigued and want to know more about how this works and why you should try it, stay with me until the end of this video. I'm going to share a Zen story that explains the significance of this ritual, its purpose, and the simple steps to take to invite its energy into your life. Once upon a time, there was a wise Buddhist monk named Kados, who spent the night by a glowing fire, deep in meditation. As dawn approached, he prepared to share his final and most treasured lesson with his disciples, a secret they believed would transform their lives. Anticipation hung thick in the air, as they waited for Kados to impart this life-changing wisdom. As he began, Kados told them about the mystical power of the number 888, a number whose high vibrational energy could open doors to endless opportunities and abundance. He described it as a river of blessings, flowing to those open and ready to receive. Taking a piece of paper, Kados wrote 888 in golden letters, instructing his disciples to do the same. He explained that this number serves as a bridge between heaven and earth, connecting the visible and invisible worlds. The disciples were awestruck, realizing they were being led in on something extraordinary. Kados emphasized that 888 was more than an ordinary number. It was a connection to the immense powers of the universe, awakening the hidden potential within each of them. He urged them to tap into their inner strength, reminding them of ancient teachings that spoke of the incredible power within. Before leaving, he encouraged them to place the piece of paper with 888 under their pillows, saying it would expand their minds to embrace abundance while they slept. That night, the disciples drifted into sleep filled with hope and a sense of purpose, experiencing vivid, meaningful dreams that left them feeling renewed, free from negative thoughts, and filled with energy. In the days that followed, they noticed intriguing synchronicities, unexpected opportunities, and intuitive guidance that steered them toward their goals. Overjoyed, they returned to Kados, seeking further insights into the number 888. Kados explained that 888 is known as an angelic number, a divine gift intended to help people attune to higher frequencies and welcome synchronistic events into their lives. This number is like a portal, bridging heaven and earth, leading them closer to their most cherished dreams and desires. He shared stories of how angels use this number to guide humans, helping them find balance, peace, and harmony. In Buddhism, the number 8 is seen as a representation of the path to nirvana, or ultimate enlightenment, embodying the journey toward a peaceful and awakened existence. For those in pursuit of spiritual enlightenment, the number 8 is deeply significant. The repetition in 888 is revered and treated with immense gratitude, as it serves as a divine roadmap, directing those who see it toward their life's path and purpose. It's also believed to be the number that leads to prosperity, stemming from living out one's true purpose. The disciples, intrigued, asked if the number 888 held significance in other religions as well. Their master, Kados, smiled and nodded, saying, "Yes, its power is universally felt, respected, and honored across many spiritual paths." In Christianity, the number 888 holds a profound connection to Jesus Christ. This significance arises because, when translated into Greek numerals, the name Jesus corresponds precisely to 888. In Christian teachings and traditions, this number symbolizes themes of redemption, salvation, and the promise of eternal life. Within various Christian texts and Bible studies, it's seen as a divine sign, representing both the spiritual essence of Jesus and a bridge between heaven and earth. Master Kados shared stories of angels appearing to people through this number, helping them activate visions of the future and drawing in synchronicities and miraculous occurrences from other realms to support them. He explained that the number 888 embodies a powerful message of balance, inner peace, and harmony in life. It serves as a symbol that unites the spiritual and material worlds, showing how they can coexist in harmony. Many people struggle to merge these two aspects of life, asking how they can pursue material success while staying grounded in spiritual growth. The number 888 reminds us that finding this balance is not only possible but essential. It's a call to experience both spiritual enlightenment and the abundance of the earthly realm. Symbols, numbers, and words hold immense power, as reflected in many spiritual teachings, including the Bible. Jesus of Nazareth once said, "When the two become one, I will move mountains." Here, the two symbolizes the spiritual and material realms, while moving mountains reflects overcoming life's challenges. The number 888 invites us to live a life rich in material blessings, while embracing spiritual peace and inner healing. Master Kados guided his disciples in a meditation centered on the number 888, repeating it as a mantra while envisioning a golden light enveloping them. As they meditated, they felt a surge of abundance, synchronicities, and blessings flowing into their lives. Closed doors began to open, and obstacles turned into pathways for growth. One disciple, Hio, faced a devastating loss when her home burned down. Heartbroken, she turned to Kados, who encouraged her to see this challenge as a chance to rise like a phoenix. He assured her that the number 888 would guide her to a brighter path. With the support of her fellow disciples, Hio rebuilt her home stronger and more beautiful than before. By embracing the teachings of 888, the disciples discovered that true wealth is found not in material possessions, but in inner strength, love, and compassion. The number 888 became a reminder of their potential, encouraging them to listen to their soul and trust their intuition. Through this connection, they found that their actions brought fulfillment not only to themselves but also to others. Kados reminded them that divine guidance is always with us, and if we understood the strength that walks beside us, we would never feel fear again. He encouraged his disciples to place the number 888 under their pillows at night and to imagine themselves bathed in golden light, surrounded by endless blessings. By repeating this practice each night, the disciples began to witness new opportunities appearing in their lives, a true testament to the power of 888. As Kados advised, try this for yourself and see the results. Let the voice of your soul guide you, and remember, change begins today. You are unique, special, and incredibly loved. Have an amazing day, and let the blessings of 888 bring light and love into your life.